When does popular fiction begin? Popular fiction as a formal publishing category began in the 19th century, thanks to the increased literacy and cheaper printing, making books accessible to more people. But however, the roots of popular storytelling go back thousands of years, even to ancient Sumerian times with epics like Gilgamesh, which features popular tropes like the Wild Man or Enkidu and the Great Floods. So the fiction existed even before formal publishing. So the method here is the oral traditional storytelling and folktales and private manuscripts. Throughout the history, people have always been drawn to stories of romance, adventures, ghosts and monsters, and crime. But once book became a common form of entertainment, there was there was an explosion of new genres and themes. So these are the science fiction, for example, the Frankenstein and the Western or cowboy genre linked to American frontier life. Now, what happened to popular fiction after 1900s? So after 1900s, as American literature gained prominence, the line between high literature and popular or dime fiction, when we say dime, it is the cheaper version of fiction, began to blur. More genres and writers were recognized, expanding what we now consider popular fiction. So the rise of American literature challenged the British dominance, but the boundaries blurred between the high literature and the dime novels. And that will be all. Thank you.